What up, Joe?
Hey y'all, how you doing?
But,
You only got the corner and it was all like that.
oh no, I don't think she was. Wait. What's going on? What she doing?
Sloppy Joe.
That's too sweet.
Like salt together.
What up, though?
Hey y'all, how you doing?
We bite like we never left. We got a little short, quick, in a hurry ass video that we making right now. Let's get it. What, baby? Tell them
Don't
what we
mind her
got.
cussing and stuff.
I just said ass. That's the word. Come on.
That's a dirty word. If your kid said it, you'd be mad.
Man, listen, at this point, they know all the words in the thing good.
Okay, so we have steak, broccoli, apples.
What y'all doing today? What's for dinner? Comment down below. I'm like all off the camera space because it's going that way, but it's okay. We're here.
You want to restart?
No. This is a YouTuber's life. This is what we go through. Raw and uncut. There you go. I know I probably asked before.
Just like our steak.
How y'all like y'all steaks? Comment down below. This food hot. Hot. Off the press is hot.
You see the steam coming from the broccoli?
Now I gotta bring my best friend. Cool Ranch. I don't know about everybody else. I like that little fat on the steak. People don't be eating them fat. They be like, oh, that's fat. We love it. I love it over here.
Y'all use steak sauce? Heinz 57A1. I was always told if it was cooked right, you don't need sauce.
How was y'all day at work? Did y'all go to work today? How was that? Tired?
All my juices are melted together. I mean, something went down the wrong pipe. Talking about all my juices melted. I'm gonna be quiet.
We're supposed to be Taco Tuesday. We eating steak on Tuesday. Is Taco Tuesday in your house? Comment down below. We got steak on Tuesday.
We were supposed to have it yesterday, but
Life happens.
yep. Life of a mukbanger. This broccoli and cheese does taste fabulous, though.
Yeah, because extra cheese. Like me, extra cheese. From the booth.
What do y'all like for side dishes with your steak? I know steak and potatoes. Everyone always likes the baked potato, but
I ain't that bad. Can't do it today.
this is actually a healthy meal. You know, with the
Them fried apples I don't know about, but everything else healthy.
well, I mean, they're apples, so it's a fruit. How about low carb?
Okay. No, can't tell no people anything. Now how they go?
I think I grew up with A1 sauce.
I didn't grow up with nothing because we didn't have no steak. Our steak was a privilege and we didn't get that privilege. I don't remember ever eating steak when I was young.
I don't know. The one thing I remember, once a month on Sunday, we'd go out to Quincy's. Y'all remember Quincy's Steakhouse? I don't think they have them around no more.
You Quincy's Steakhouse old. I think I remember. I was little.
Once a month. We never really went out to eat at like McDonald's or Wendy's or Burger King. Mama cooked at home. As I try to tell the kids, it's a privilege when you get to go out to eat. Because not everyone can do that because it's cheaper to eat at home than it is to go out to eat.
Stay full long at the house because you're going to get you some seconds and thirds sometimes.
Burger and fry cost you $10.
Not this household. You might get a second. You
can get a whole 3 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey in our for $10. Everyone can get a burger. What you mean?
Clean my gum. Sorry, y'all. I had to get that. That'd be irritating. Shout out to Queen Key 83. I always shout her out. Because she always supporting us, man. And loving on us. She did a what is it? Stuffed salmon?
Yes.
I don't like salmon. It's too fishy for me, but I'm going to try. Just for you. Okay? I should try. I ain't y'all cooking.
That means I got to make it.
I'm going to say, don't use Twitter. I ain't cooking. But I'm going to give it another try. It looked good how she made it. But we ain't know.
Production like salmon.
Well, here, you just don't know about this. I'm just
You know when you're so hungry, you eat, and you get full real fast?
I don't know nothing about that. I'm just gonna. We're gonna do a giveaway.
We are?
Mm-hmm.
Great communication. What are we giving them a giveaway for?
400 subscribers. We're a little bit past that.
Are we going to tell them what we're giving away?
No.
What they got to do to get it?
Mm-hmm.
How you going to say we're doing a giveaway? We ain't got no...
Man, we giving away something. Just stay tuned. That's all
eventually. I thought we were giving away something today.
No. I wouldn't drop no bomb like that. Now, I drop bombs, but not like that. That's just too much.
I know, but you telling them like we giving them something now.
So they'll stay tuned.
So that means they watch every single video to the end until you tell them. But they don't even know what they're winning.
It's okay. It's a surprise.
Oh, that's why you picked that piece. That piece looks like it's got some fatty pieces to it.
Mm-hmm. Real fat pieces. People, we're going to give away. Show our people out there some love. You know what I'm saying?
Go and watch our playlist. Let it run. You know you can let it run while you sleep.
Yeah, but what fun is that? I'm just kidding.
Ain't no fun, but it gives us watch hours.
We gonna get y'all.
I think what would be fun if you go back, and if you don't want to watch all of the videos, if you watch some of our previous videos, like the ones when we first started coming up, can you see that evolution of us? See if you think we've changed that much. We're still the same. I think we did a lot more reviewing then than mukbangs. Because if you look at our review playlist, it has a lot more videos than.
It starts off as a review channel.
And we still do our reviews. Try to let you know what's going on.
Trying. Well, since you're full, I guess we can call it. We're gonna call it. If I say I'm about to call it, who am I talking about?
Y'all already know.
No, man. Okay. I'm still eating them. Come on, for the call. Okay.
So every day you wake up?
Nope.
I was trying to help you out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
subscribe.
Hey. You know what I'm saying? And every day you wake up, there's another day for greatness. So until the next video / review.
See ya on the flip side.
Peace.